I'm on that OSG, getting moved out with my oldest cheese. Yeah, OSG, I'm getting moved out with my oldest cheese. Life is like a movie, look at how I'm moving. Flashlights on me, I swear life is like a movie. Yeah, I can pull up in the top without a peek. Finally know the reason why them dudes say me. Catching feelings by the chicks on me. She be on her knees begging one more.
Video to show that Sinyasonke. I won't act tough. I won't act like a steering.
Most wanted man in South Africa, Vusi Boxing, the former Ben 10 of the celebrity Zodwa Wabantu. They've been a reward offered by Zodwa Wabantu for anyone who comes with the info of his whereabouts.
Vusi, maramamela la. Ayakufuna amaphoyisa and anyone ombonayo loyo fraudster. Anyone ombonayo guys, I pay 20,000.
Ihlukene imbono yababukeli ngalolu daba.
Mali
nangu suyadingakala so sengilitholile nangu uzokwazi
Sali reward
sicela reward
I got my future this day. Music got nigga just dope. None of a gula escape. Been niggas chasing the fame. I'm therapeutic and I'm healing the world. Already got an escape. Want me to take over the game. I ain't got no time to waste. I got my future this day. Music got nigga just dope. None of a gula escape. Been niggas chasing the fame. I'm therapeutic and I'm healing the world. I'm taking the love for the blessings. My music sounding amazing. I do not care about opinions. Right here we're dealing with things. Yeah. I'm focused to stay on a mission. My music.
Hayi ke uzodwa uzolanda uvusi and uvusi akatholakala ukubo njengamanje bafethu. Hayibo bafethu nakho kushuba emhlabeni wasesikhawini. Paparazzi. Hayi ngiyabonga shame. Kahle phuma. Sizophuma. Shit. Ya wena. Uyibona intwana? On. Hayi. Isho. Sawona zodwa. Awukahle. Hayi.
Nangu gelwe reward. I think use this for police. Nangu gelwe reward. Asangishaya ngempama. Angizokushaya ngizoboshwa. I'm dealing with you guys no Vusi.
friend. I've been getting calls no WhatsApp lately. I've been sifisi. Kwenzakalani mfisi uyasichazela siyabona. Hey bafethu. Owaziyo akajabuleli ukuthi uyazi. Angalokho abuza imibuzo eminingi. Ongazi. Ingoba phela kufanele. Siyaphila bafethu last practice.